I was leaving the office last night, and of course, for some reason, this always happens when I'm leaving the office. Get a frantic phone call from a realtor that I've been working with for years. She's got clients that are first-time buyers. They're under contract, need to close next week. And they were pre-approved and processed, underwritten, appraised by a big bank. Everything was fine until it got to the final underwriting stage. And unfortunately, they were getting denied. They were being denied for income. This is not something that any homeowner wants to hear, or any prospective homeowner, any seller, any realtor, and so on and so forth. That this is unfortunately a nightmare of working with a big bank. Hey, I'm Leon with the Lending Group. I've been in business since 2002. I'm a loan officer. I help people buy homes, refinance homes. These folks paid an escrow money deposit. They had their appraisal done. They did everything that like they were supposed to, and they weren't getting the answer that they were promised. Of course, we were able to look at the file. I had to stay later, and we noticed that we just needed a clarification on their verification of employment. So I was able to call the employer. They were able to certify that the client's hours are guaranteed. And that's really all we needed. That was really the touch. So what a lot of folks don't realize is that when you go to a big bank, they'll get you approved, but the person that's looking at your file initially is generally not as experienced as you would want them to be. You're not going to get someone that's got 20 years under their belt like myself that cares about their local reputation as a mortgage lender, that cares about closing dates and so on and so forth. You're going to get someone that is just filling out a checklist, that wants to put a checkbox next to your name and move on to the next file. You're not going to get a personal touch. You're not going to get an out-of-the-box thinker like myself. If you want to be sure that you're closing on time, and if you want to be sure that you're closing, period, please contact me here at the Find My Way Home Network.